Hi everyone, it's Anis here and welcome to this week's episode from Park City, Utah. Today we're checking out this newly constructed architectural masterpiece right behind me, and this home is unlike anything we have ever toured on this channel. The amenities, the fit and finish, the architectural lines, it is a truly stunning property and I'm really excited to share it with all of you. Now, specs of the home, we have 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 17,567 square feet of interior space, built on a 5-acre lot, and this home is listed for $42 million, which makes this property the most expensive home on the market in the state of Utah. Now, coming in here, we have the kitchen. Now, this is without a doubt one of my favorite kitchens we have ever toured on this channel. The cabinetry, countertops, backdrop, appliances. There are so many details here. I'm gonna try to show you guys every single one of them. First overview, you have 2 islands. One of them is a fully custom appliance, basically. Oak cabinetry throughout, quartzite countertops, and this one in particular is called Patagonia quartzite, and I think it's one of the most beautiful stones I've ever seen in my life. I mean, take a look at it right here. It looks like quartzite and marble mixed together. The cuts, the lines, the veins, it's just insane. It's just insane.
Is this natural?
It is natural.
I don't even understand how it's possible.
How it's possible, right?
Yeah.
It is stunning. All right, Mikey, let's take everybody here first. We have these oak hardwood floors where you have blocks of wood cut up, leveled up, and joined together. So much character on the floors. And coming back up, you have your first Miele built-in appliances, warming drawer on the bottom. This is that opening that we just talked about. Oak cabinetry throughout, some open shelving here, and this is your first base section of your cabinets. You have 2 sliding windows that pockets into the wall, opens up the countertop to the outside bar. That way you can serve foods and drinks to your balcony here, and massive commercial sink, 2 faucets, same quartzite countertops, and some parts of this cabinetry has that reeded grit detail. So much character. I mean, your first Miele dishwasher, let's have a quick look. You'll have your second one right here, more open shelving, and this section actually kicks out with a waterfall edge. And now let's talk about this piece right here. This is one of my favorite details we have ever seen in any house. This is a single piece appliance built by a company called Marrone out of Italy, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. We have all these storage areas down below, knobs, details. I love this baby blue color. And Mikey, let's get a close up. That's a plug cover right there.
Interesting. And
why don't you actually go to the other side, and I'll come right here. You have everything you need within this assembly. You have a gas cooktop, you have wok, you have pot filler, induction cooktop, teppanyaki grill, regular grill, knobs, details, and a commercial vent above. This is amazing.
yeah, this is really cool. And everything has custom pans for it as well, right?
Look at this. They dial you in with every detail you need. Custom built for this assembly. It's, by the way, priced at $90,000, and I think it's worth every single penny.